Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must start safely. Unplug the Ottimo iron and empty the water tank so nothing conducts. Once cool, place it on a towel and remove any water. This prevents damage and gives a clean work area. Now remove all visible screws on the base and handle using a Phillips. Keep them organized. Use a plastic pry tool at the seam near the heel to release the first clip slowly. This first access step exposes the internal casing without forcing or cracking plastic. Once the housing is partially open, continue by working along the seam. Insert the pry tool and gently spread clips. Patience avoids broken tabs. Make sure to locate and unplug any ribbon cables or small connectors before fully separating halves, and take a quick photo for reference so you remember orientation. With internals exposed, identify the thermostat, heating element terminals, and thermal fuse. These are common failure points. Take note of solder joints, and you can now perform the repair. Replace a blown thermal fuse or tighten a loose terminal, using proper solder or crimp connections so resistance stays low. Refit internal components in the same order. Align tabs and gaskets before snapping halves together, then replace screws evenly to avoid stress. Once reassembled, plug in and test on low heat while standing back to verify operation and that no steam or smoke appears. If it smells burned or doesn't heat, unplug immediately and recheck connections. That's your key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.